Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel, Sri Thakur. Today we'll discuss chapter 20, part 3. In last video, we discussed some of its importance of Sanskrit language. Today we'll focus on other aspect of Sanskrit language. Now let us discuss part 3 of chapter 20, Sanskrita Bhasha System, the importance of Sanskrit language. Okay, today we'll start sixth importance, Sashtava system. Sashtava system, the sixth importance. संस्कृत भाषायाः पंचतंत्र नामकः ग्रंथः प्रायः विश्वस्य सर्वासु भाषासु अनुदितः वर्तते. संस्कृत भाषायाः पंचतंत्र नामक ग्रंथ, the book known as Panchantram in Sanskrit language, प्रायः mostly विश्वस्य सर्वासु भाषासु अनुदितः वर्तते, has been translated into almost of all the languages in the world. The book known as Panchatantra in Sanskrit language has been translated into almost of all the languages in the world. This is the only book, children, which has been translated in maximum languages. Okay. एतादृशं सौभाग्यम अन्यस्याः कस्याचित् भाषायाः ग्रंथेन अद्यावधि न प्राप्तम्. एतादृशं सौभाग्यम, this kind of good luck, अन्यस्याः कस्याचित् भाषा of any of the languages ग्रंथेन in book अद्यावधि न प्राप्तम्, not found yet. This kind of good luck has not been obtained by any language till now in any book. So this is the only book in Sanskrit language, that is Panchatantra, which has been translated into almost all the languages in the world. Okay. Now Saptamam Vaishisham. संस्कृत साहित्ये दशकुमार चरित नाम्ना प्रसिद्धं कथा पुस्तकं वर्तते. कथा पुस्तक मीन्स स्टोरी बुक. There is a story book known as Dashakumar Charit in Sanskrit literature. प्रसिद्धं कथा पुस्तकम. There is a famous story book known as Dashakumar Charit in Sanskrit language. तस्य सप्तम उच्छ्वासे, in its seventh उच्छ्वास means part. तस्य सप्तम उच्छ्वास, in its seventh part, एकम पात्रम, a particular character, पवर्ग प्रयोग रहितानि वाक्यानि वदति. He delivers the dialogue without using the letter pavarga. Pavarga means which letter comes under pavarga? Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Without these letters, he delivers the dialogues. I repeat, there is a famous story book in Sanskrit literature known as Dashakumar Charit. In its seventh part, Saptam Uchchasa, in its seventh part, a particular character is delivering the dialogue without using pa varga, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, these five letters. Varnamala amukan varnan vihaya, without using some particular letters in alphabet. Sambadhakaranam, to compose the dialogue. Sanskrute eva sambhavati, is possible only in Sanskrit, non-yatra, not in other languages. Without using particular letters in alphabet, to compose the dialogue is possible only in Sanskrit, not in any other language. That is the example Dashakumar Charita over here. Okay, this is seventh importance. Now, Ashtamam Vaishisham, eighth importance. एकस्य वर्णस्य प्रयोगेण काव्यकरणं संस्कृतेव संभवति. एकस्य वर्णस्य प्रयोगेण, by using single letter, काव्यकरणं, to make poetry, संस्कृतेव संभवति, is possible in Sanskrit. By using a particular letter to compose poem or kavya means epic, or you can say poetry, is possible only in Sanskrit. For this example, let us see remaining sentence. महाकविना माघेन विरचिते शिशुपालबद्ध महाकाव्ये दकारस्य नकारस्य च एकमात्रस्य वर्णस्य प्रयोगेण निर्मितानि पद्यानि अस्य प्रमाणे सन्ति. महाकविना माघेन विरचिते, written by Mahakavi, the great poet Magha. Shishupalabadha Mahakavi, in the great epic known as Shishupalabadha, Dakarasya Nakarasya Ekamatrasya Varnasya Praganam. By using the single letter like da and na, Nirmitani Padyani, poems composed by using the single letter the and no, asya pramanaya are its proof. By using single letter like the and the are the example. The great poetry or the great epic written by Magha, known as Shishubala Buddha, in which we find by using letter the and no, the poems are written. I mean, let me repeat this. Repeat this. The poems composed by using the karo and no karo, the letter and no letter, in the great epic known as Sisibalabadda, written by the poet Mago, are its proof. I mean, by using single letter to compose poem is possible only in Sanskrit. To justify this, the author has written the poetry is written by using the letter the and no in the great epic known as Subala Mahakavya, written by Mahakavi Magha or great poet Magha, are its proof. एवं संस्कृतस्य अनेकानि वैशिष्ट्यानि सन्ति. In this way, संस्कृतस्य अनेकानि वैशिष्ट्यानि सन्ति. There are several importance in Sanskrit language like this. Okay. So this is the children 8 importance we have discussed. Now your turn to complete the notebook. Write the translation in your notebook. If you have any queries, please contact me in my contact details. Okay. Subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends and like it. That is the last part of this chapter number 20. Go through the video. Pause the video for translation, otherwise go through the PDF which I am providing along with this video. Write in your notebook. If you have queries, please contact me without fail. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.